In this video, I'll demonstrate how to use ChatGPT to make money online using YouTube clips. The best part is that you can do this in a market where you don't have to speak or show your face. I'll demonstrate how to build these videos, how to get a ton of video ideas utilizing ChatGPT, how to sell your YouTube shorts, and more. YouTube has surpassed all other short-form platforms and allowed you to make ad revenue from your shorts. Partners will be able to make money on ads that are viewed between videos in the Shorts feed. Before we get started, allow me to briefly describe the unique niche we will be examining in this video, as well as some of the findings. We will be looking at the YouTube channel's Daily Facts, which operates in the psychology niche and provides fact-based short-form content, unlike anything you have ever seen on YouTube before. Even though Daily Facts has received over millions of views and makes about $100,000 a year, don't be put off by these numbers. Even if you only make $20,000 or $50,000 from one channel. With this method, I'll show you can upload 2,200 videos at an average rate of 4 to 5 per day and produce 30 to 40 short-form videos, depending on your channel type, in the time it takes to make 1 or 2 long-form videos. If you practice consistency over an extended period, results will follow now that you are aware of the potential of this strategy. Let's look at some of the channel's videos. For instance, one of them is called Couple Facts, and it has a simple text box that displays a fact about couples followed by another fact after a little while. The background is a video, and the audio is short-form platform-specific viral music. These films can be easily produced without voiceovers. You may be curious about how to come up with concepts for these videos. One way involves creating a list of the information the channel uses, such as relationship facts, girl facts, love facts, male facts, and psychology facts, using ChatGPT, an AI-powered application. Obtain this list, then go to chat.openai.com. The AI will generate ideas for your short-form videos, streamlining the creative process. As you can see, we received 3 facts about each topic. If you don't already have an account, register and create one. Once you are logged in, give the AI a prompt, like, write 3 short fun facts about these topics, and paste the list of topics. Now, copy these details and paste them into your document. These particulars can serve as the foundation for your movies, with each detail working as a segment. Occasionally, though, ChatGPT may become overwhelmed with users and become inaccessible, meaning that it is still unavailable for your videos and offers a variety of responses. The best aspect, of course, is that it is accessible from anywhere on the globe. To learn more, go to vidIQ.com. Once you've created a Canva account, go to the home page and click Create a Design. Next, select Mobile Video to get a portrait format. Finally, select Mobile Video to get a peaceful background like water, city streets, trees, or clouds inside the video editor. It's time to create the videos. There are many video editors and software options available. However, I recommend using Canva for its simplicity. Your movie should be resized to span the entire screen when you apply the background. Once the text is put up, center it so that you are ready to produce your short-form movies, which will feature interesting data and an aesthetically beautiful background. The following step is to add the heading type for the fact you want to use for the video, such as male fact, adjust the size and position of the text, and add a text background fill if desired. Add another text box for the fact, and copy and paste the text from your document into the editor. Adjust the size and positioning of this text as well as watch the video to ensure the text is displayed long enough for most viewers to read it, though you could also make the text display slightly shorter. When modifying the video's size and positioning to fit the first text box, make sure the text is not too huge since you don't want it to be obscured by the movie's side elements. Then, after adjusting the time and removing any extras, download the video. When the video has finished rendering, transfer it to your phone immediately. This is crucial because you'll want to use viral music, which can only be accessed through the YouTube app on your phone. Once the video is on your phone, you can upload it to YouTube and add the music using the app. Make sure you've made a separate channel just for psychological or fact-based content once the YouTube app is open and your video is ready to upload on your phone. To create a YouTube short, hit the plus icon in the bottom center of the screen and choose to create short on the left side. The next important step is to add sound by clicking the Add Sound option in the top center corner. You can monetize your YouTube shorts using well-known songs from artists like Imagine Dragons. Choose your video. If it is longer than 15 seconds, you can adjust the duration by clicking the 15 in the upper right corner. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel or follow us for more valuable tips, updates, and exclusive opportunities to maximize your earning potential. It's time to turn your typing skills into cash.